What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at a question regarding Quora from my Facebook group Affiliate CPA Marketing for Beginners with Colin Dijs. So Ivana had this really good question and that's why I picked it. Best way to promote CPA offers on Quora. How to answer without being spammy and salesy, but to get a lead. The goal is just to get leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 5 bullet points and then we're going to head over to Quora for a live example. So what is important with Quora? Quora is a website where people ask questions. You can answer these questions. However, with affiliate marketing, you can also drop some affiliate links and get some sales, or Ivana just wants to obtain leads. So that's what we're going to do today. The important thing is to start with authority. Usually under your Quora name, you have a specific title or topic you have a lot of experience in. This means that you know what you're actually talking about. And what I usually like to do is I like to state some facts. So let's say affiliate marketing, whether it's about making money online. I am Colin Dijs from Amsterdam. I've been doing this for 4 years. I've generated more than $1 million in revenue. So people know that you actually know your shit. The important second topic is that you don't sell them. You literally answer the question that they're looking for. So if they ask me, how do I build a YouTube channel for affiliate marketing? I'm not going to say, hey Ivana, here you have a link to my course where I teach all about building a YouTube channel with affiliate marketing. It's only $1,000, right? Because people are less inclined to click the link actually and purchase than when you give them value up front and just obtain the lead. So Ivana had a very good argument there. Don't go for a straight sale. It's best to capture lead, nurture the lead through email marketing or like a Facebook group or a separate community, and then close them over time on your 1K course or on your affiliate program that you're running. So don't sell them, answer the questions. So how do I build a YouTube channel with affiliate marketing? You can tell them a little bit about yourself. Start off with a journey, what you're actually doing. Tell them about your problems, but also about your success. So then you already have like 5 bullet points with some text and some more detailed explanation. And then what you want to do after a couple of paragraphs, have them crave for more answers. So you can tell them like, hey, I built my own YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers, or I know this guy who built this YouTube channel to over 10,000 subscribers within just a couple of months. The exact strategy is quite complicated, but could definitely work for you. So you give them something to trigger them to click. So you might want to consider downloading this free PDF where he explains it all. And the free PDF you made is a lead magnet. So they go to the landing page. It has information about the PDF, and they have to opt in with their name and email in order to get the PDF sent to them. You suggest a free tool in order to capture the lead. As soon as you've captured the lead, not only the person asking the question will get that, but Quora questions rank really well in Google. So this post might get a dozen, hundreds, thousands, maybe even millions of views over the years. And every single time people might go to your PDF to download it, and you build those leads, build those lists up. Very good. You hook up an autoresponder on the back end, and that's the way to make money. Website right now with my account, and you can see I have all my little topics here. I haven't logged in for so long into Quora, but let's see if there's something with affiliate marketing. There we go, affiliate marketing. How to run an affiliate page on LinkedIn. How do you create a successful blog? See, these are like posts, but do we want questions? What is the most you made with affiliate marketing in one day? Okay, so this is a question. 3 followers. And you can read what it says. So this guy just answers the question, which is really nice, but he has a blog attached in his name. So high ticket affiliate marketer and blogger at theonlinestudent.co.uk. So he gives value by entering the actual post, and then he hopes that people will go to his website probably. This guy also founder and blogger at this thing. Does he do any links? No. So you could say, because these are quite short answers, you can write a really long post, and normally you can also see how many people viewed it, but this has one upvote, so this one will probably show first. Oh, this has 14 views so far. You can write a whole long post about what you've been doing with affiliate marketing, how much money you've made, and you can suggest, for instance, a free training at the end, a free training for affiliate marketers on how to make money online. If you have one, the idea is don't push it. Write 4 to 5 paragraphs first, but we can probably find a good example on a bigger topic like make money online. How do I make money online? Is this a post? So this has 2.7k followers. Who is she? Okay, this has an explanation. And then it has a ClickBank, JVZoo, Fiverr, Upwork. So this has some little introduction with no links. But there must be one which has a link in it. So this one, comment, upvote. Has some call outs. And even look, this is like a crazy long explanation. It appears that nobody's linking in their answers. I don't know if they have since blocked it since I was doing Quora, but even if they have blocked it, just put your lead magnet at the top. Oh, see, this guy just put it as an image at the end. If you're looking for passive income streams, I will download my free ebook. This is exactly what you do. When you open his name, it goes to his account. You can read more. So I think they might have blocked the links, but this guy is very smart and just pushes in a picture which links to his profile. From his profile you can download it, and that's basically how it's done. So even this comment had 10,000 views. Based on, you can see he delivers a lot of good information. I don't know if the quality is really good, but there's pictures, there's lots of text, and this was posted October 8, 2018. And this is now on top of my feed when I search for Make Money Online. So it was updated March 15, 2019. This is a while ago, guys. So you can see Quora has huge potential when it comes down to making money online over time with affiliate marketing. So this is not going to make you rich overnight. However, answer 1 to 2 questions a day with long copy might take you half an hour, and it will generate leads or sales on a consistent basis. So Ivana, I hope you found this useful. If you have more questions, there's a link in the description to the Facebook group, and we have more information on Quora in Dijs University. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.